I'm Sally Domingo, and I'm a wealth empowerment expert. I help six-figure women who struggle with working too hard and not having time. What I found is that they spend all their time working, paying their bills, and juggling their personal lives. And what they really want is to master their money, travel, and have more fun. I've been a successful entrepreneur for over 25 years as an advisor and a coach in 3 industries. I've earned a consistent 6-figure income while raising my 2 kids and volunteering full-time. I've spent the last several years as a financial advisor to many professional men and women, and I deeply understand their struggles to keep up with the demands of work and family. Today, I'm an author, speaker, and wealth coach. I get to speak on stages locally and all over the country. I hike the Sierras with my kids. My boyfriend and I travel, weekend getaways, New York, Paris, and I still have time to spend with my dogs and my chickens. But it wasn't always like this. I spent about 20 years of my life working too hard before I learned everything I know today. And then 5 years ago, my husband found out that he had stage 4 esophageal cancer, and our lives were turned upside down. Within 5 months, I became a widow and a single mom, left to deal with all of the emotional and the financial struggles of his passing. At that point, I realized that life is just too short, and I've spent these past 5 years learning how to live all over again. I used to put work before everything, and as a result, my life suffered. Now, using the same tools I give to my clients, I'm living life the way I should have all along. My money works for me, and I can teach you how to make your money work for you. I am really passionate about helping women like you who need help mastering your money and putting it to work for you so you can have more freedom in your life and focus on your passions and spend time with your loved ones. If you feel like you're working too hard and feel uncertain about your financial future, and you just don't have time to live the life you want to live, I have a gift for you. Go to my website now where you can schedule your Woman of Wealth breakthrough session with me to show you the roadmap to master your money and travel more. Come with me. I'll show you how to play and have fun again.